How are you doing?
Third floor. Going up.
Have a very nice day.
Going up.
These are the elevators at the BB&T Center in St. Petersburg, Florida. Otis CompassPlus. Let's head down.
Press the button repeatedly to increment floor numbers, or the button to lobby. Proceed to level A to the right rear.
Elevator A has arrived. Elevator
There's your interlock.
has arrived.
And there's your other elevators and the keypad
Elevator
in the distance.
A has arrived.
Should go. There we go. Let's get a cab view. These are really nice elevators, though it is unfortunate these got modded. These used to be Elevonic 401 with Series 1 fixtures. Anyways, once I reach the lobby, I'm gonna end because security's like right outside. That's it.